welcome to another exciting video. I'm Gabby, your undercover agent from KarmaLifestyles.com. Out of sight, out of mind. How do you stay out of sight and still occupy a girl's mind all day? In today's video, we'll explore how to get a girl to think about you all the time. But guys, before I continue, why don't you hit that lovely subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the next coming video. Guys are first attracted to women because of what they see. But with us, it's different. You have to hit some rare spots to make us attracted to you. Getting a woman to think of you can make a woman strongly attracted to you. Let's look at the sneaky ways of how to get a girl to think about you all the time. Give her a run for her money. Guys always want to be there and provide everything we need to impress us. That makes a woman feel like a trophy, and it's a turn-off for some women. You'll only strike her mind when she needs something she knows you can deliver. To make a woman think about you all the time, you need more than a yes man. It needs a guy that challenges the woman to be her innermost core. That's why women are addicted to bad boys. They never seem to listen, and then we have to keep up with them to keep them in check. Women often think about a guy that challenges them. Inspire her curiosity in you. Generally, people don't like unfamiliar things. We try to come up with explanations of everything around us to make it familiar. The same goes for when you meet a new person. When you inspire a woman's curiosity in you, she'll non-stop think about you. Curiosity grows into interest, and interest builds a strong attraction. Once a woman is attracted to you, she will think about you all the time because you inspire desirable feelings in her. One of the classic ways of inspiring a woman's curiosity is building a mysterious personality. You give the woman enough information to want to know more. You can also build her curiosity by creating a bond and then slowly start drifting. Make her miss you. Missing a person creates a wave of emotions. It comes with both desirable and undesirable emotions. But no matter which emotions are dominating, you still are ringing in her mind. To miss a guy, a woman misses a lot of things that make that guy. She misses his smell, the time they share, the corniness, the laughs, even the arguments. A woman will miss you when you have established your worth in her life. Be the life of the party when you're with her, and still be the keen ear that picks her up at a time of need. Don't try to make her think about you. Desperation stinks from far, and women have a desperation radar. We can know when a guy is desperately trying something. There's a point where it's cute, but when it's pure desperation, then it's a turn-off. Trying to make a woman miss you can come out as desperation. Instead of trying to make the woman miss you, live your life and let her experience your strengths, excitement, and enthusiasm in life. When you're not around her, she will miss the joy that brings and start thinking about you. Women are addicted to enthusiastic guys because of the positivity that they come with. You can make a woman think about you all day if you have a strong emotional connection. She'll miss the part that you fill in her life. And that's how a woman ends up committing to a guy. Well guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. As always, it's been a pleasure having you around until the end of the video. Please check out our services, ebooks and products at KarmaLifestyles.com. And if you enjoyed my video, please click like, share and subscribe. I'm Gabby, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!